You done.
Oh, so if you add too much water, it just stays wet? What do you think, Matt? Is it just staying wet or is it starting to dry up? Yeah, it's a little bit kind of what words could we use if it's too wet? Maybe soupy? Muddy? Oh. Mushy? Definitely mushy.
Soft.
Oh, yes.
Got lots of humus inside.
It feels sticky. I like that. Wet soil. Don't worry about the spelling here. So it feels sticky. That's pretty cool, Matt. What do you see?
I can see a dead leaf
What's it
inside.
doing? Is it dirt?
What do you do? I probably took it. Just get some from Andrew.
I'm gonna eat some.
This is just... Oh, wow. So check it out. Can I share your experiment? Matt went off and did a little bit extra experiment. He had a little bit of... McKenna? He had a little bit of soil fall into his cup. So he was sitting there and he was observing it. What was it doing, Matt? It was floating. Did anything sink to the bottom? No, huh? So if it did... Oh, there's a little bit? So which one did you put in there? Matt, did you put the humus or the sand in there? All right. Because if you put the sand in there, what would it do?
Float.
What do you think? Oh my gosh. Can I touch it? Ooh, it feels, it does kind of feel soft, you guys. Yes? It is. What color is your water? Huh? It is brown. Brownish yellow, I like that. You can write that